My list is the Canon R6 Mark II, my choice for the best overall camera for photography. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is packed with features that make it great for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. It boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which produces amazing images with rich and true-to-life colors. A powerful DIGIC X image processor enables high-performance operation of the R6. It has an ISO range of 100 to 204,800 with expansion, so it does a great job letting you create in those low light settings. It's able to achieve an impressive 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter and 40 frames per second with electronic shutter, so you're well equipped for any action shots like sports or wildlife. The R6's autofocus system really stands out. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers up to 100% of the picture area, breaking the image into up to 1,053 automatically selected AF zones, allowing focus sharply on a subject nearly anywhere in the frame. It also has a subject detection feature for recognizing people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology, with new subjects in process including aircraft, trains, and horses. This feature really helps getting those perfect shots a breeze. But that's not all. The Canon R6 Mark II is also great for video. It can shoot 4K at up to 60 frames per second, which means you can get really smooth, high-quality footage. Plus, the camera has in-body stabilization, so your footage will come out nice and steady, even if you're not using a tripod. The R6 supports both wired and wireless connections to your smartphone via its USB Type-C port, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth technology, making it easy to upload and share movies and photos to your favorite social networks. All in all, the Canon R6 Mark II is the best overall camera for photography, in my opinion. The processing power, autofocus capabilities, and high-speed shooting, plus all its other top-notch features, make it a great choice if you're a photographer. Next